episode 11 of Chainsaw Man, and it's called Mission Start. So I'm assuming what this is gonna mean is that Denji and Power, they're good to go. I think they're gonna finish their training arc fairly soon, and they're gonna start hunting the Gun Devil and all those villains that took out all of, you know, public safety. That's kind of what I'm thinking, is that this is the official beginning, and then we're gonna see what happens with Aki and the future devil. So this is just the training arc. This is kind of what I'm getting, introduction, training arc, and we're gonna see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you're new, thank you so much for being here, and if you're not, thank you so much for sticking with me. I really do appreciate that. It means so much to know that you guys genuinely like the videos and hanging out. It's awesome. It's a great feeling. If by the end of the video you're interested in watching my full-length commentary, the link to my Patreon will be down below in the description. Be sure to check that out if you're interested. Without further ado, let's get into episode 11 of Chainsaw Man, second to last episode of the season, and I'm really bad with finishing shows, like the seasons, so because I don't even know when the next Chainsaw Man's gonna come out, the next season, so I'm kind of bummed about this. All right, let's get into it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see what the devil says. This ominous floating eye. Never mind, it has a body.
Psycho! Mirai! Psycho!
This is the monster. Sorry, not the monster. This was the devil that's dancing in the opening. So I think he's gonna have like a wild personality. There he is. What's he doing? He's crazy.
Mirai,
oh yeah, he's definitely a
Psycho.
dancer. Look at him. He was born for it. There is none. Ew! I feel like it's a trick. Ew. What? He's scary. The devil's like, hey, I don't care because your death is gonna be awful, so I'm gonna kind of let you off easy. I like that, I like that. He's like, I respect that. I understand. I feel like he would have been the same as when he was younger too. He actually cares about them. What? She could have stopped it. I feel like he's wise enough to be able to call her out on her shiz. So I do believe him. I think Makima's like kind of messed up. I don't know. Is Makima good now? I don't know. Look at that one sassy guy in the blue shirt. He's like, hand on his hip. Zombies? That's actually very evil and terrifying. So this guy is he's just there to roast Aki? Like, why? I respect that. I really do. He low-key respects Aki as well. Oh. Yeah, why? What is he buying, a mansion? Greedy.
Oh,
He doesn't like that. That was not a clean cut. Is our cigar cutter supposed to be cut that sloppy? Oh, okay, he's trying to roast her. That's really rude. She should, like, what did she bring? Food? What is this? A meal? What? She told me she's not a bag of eyeballs. She's terrified. She's so scary. She is so scary. She is so freaky scary.
できるだけ公安を殺してデンジの心臓を奪う。
デンジは俺が殺す。
Okay, but why do they all want to kill him so freaking bad? Is it because granddad? That's it? That's why?
ぶっ殺してやるぜ。
楽勝じゃ。帰りたい。
They're literally crazy.
得意4課で中にいるテロリストを制圧する。テロリストではなく4課と交戦になった場合に備えて。
So he's basically like, you should be fearing us rather than the terrorists. Yep, okay, we see Sharkman.
壁の中へ地面。
ごめんな。
Who's this one? Violence Fiend?
魔人でも強すぎるから毒が出る仮面をつけさせている。雲の悪魔。
Oh, I hate that. Oh, I hate that a lot. Like a lot. Stop! I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that.
こいつは特殊な悪魔で人
Oh,
に敵意
yeah,
はない
that's
が
the
近
angel.
づくな。
Got it.
触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
Just ate a zombie head. I'm gonna throw. Ugh.
ハンカチ持ってない。
It's not the sword, right?
サムライソードとヘビ女を探すぞ。手分けして探せ。
Why? That's so disrespectful. It's such a disrespectful way to attack somebody. Behind their back, just shooting them. Makima's here? No, she's not. What? She's a mystery. I don't know if we want to unfold because she's really freaking scary. She loses her fingernails with each one? So the snake can take whatever devil takes a bite of?
君の右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ。
That's how it works. That's why he's so good, because he gets to see into the future. Ugh. He didn't die that quickly. Somebody's gonna come in and save him. I'm telling you. We officially have one episode left of Chainsaw Man. Whatever. We have one episode left of this season of Chainsaw Man. And we were left with the cliffhanger that the ghost devil is gonna kill Aki by choking him to death, but he sees the future. But I think somebody's gonna come in, they're gonna save him, and it's gonna be all good. Also, Makima is terrifying. Like, she was scary a couple episodes ago. Like, we got to see like how freaky she is. She's so much more scary in this episode. Like, I don't know what it is, but she's terrifying, and I'm just not ready to see. I'm not ready to like have the last episode of the season. I don't want to finish it yet. Oh god, I love the style of this show. I love it so freaking much. I don't handle ending seasons very well, especially when there's nothing left. But the show is amazing. It is so fun to watch. I'm loving the characters. I love the style, the music, all of it is just great. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We have one episode of Chainsaw Man left, so hope to see you guys there. Okay, are you guys ready? This is like a terrifying screen cap. I hate that I opened on this, but let's do this. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Aki was being choked to death. We remember this. And this is mortifying. This is the stuff of nightmares, to be fair.
1本あげる。
He's remembering the memory of her pushing him to smoke.
日本だけ吸ってやる。未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だな。
じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。
I didn't even know he was underage. What? He's not actually underage.
私が預かっておこう。
Wait, why didn't she finish choking him out? Does the ghost hear his thoughts?
幽霊の悪魔には目がないから。
The fact that there's like flowers is an interesting touch for the ghost devil.
姫野先輩、もうすぐ俺も行きます。
What the heck? That's so sad, actually. I already need tissues. What are we, like 2 minutes in? We're okay. Oh yes, the music video. It'll make me feel better. Oh my gosh. And oh my god, the tear made my eye itchy.
殺すな。
Oh? She's quick. It was a distraction? Wait, how? She was just so distracted. She couldn't even realize.
お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ？
もうすぐボーナスが出るので。
She's secretly really dark, I think. Komeni has like, she's got a lot of darkness in her, but she's playing it off as like this innocent character. I'm calling it. It's gross.
肉は肉じゃろ。
I hate zombies so much.
大きな声出すなよ。
わしの名はパワー。後ろは任せるぞ。へい。
She's just having. Whoa! He just let the elevator door close.
美しい。そして言い伝える。最強だ。
She's just crazy. He doesn't even care. But the thing is, he doesn't care because he knows she can handle herself.
お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんをそいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないの？
全然。
Dang, that's kind of cold. That's ice right there.
心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだ。
Oh, he's the katana guy. Never mind. Not Aki.
俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか？
やだ。
じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
He just took off his hand to reveal a knife.
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
It's wild that they have like the same design too. So there's literally blood coming from like their head and arms. Does that mean it hurts whenever they come out, like the katanas or the chainsaws? God, he's gonna answer.
この生活を守るため。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らしし。
I thought he was gonna say something else. Something much different.
お前は俺には勝てねえ。
俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
そこだ。
Okay, this looks fire. Why didn't you move cars? He protected her. He does have a heart. He protected her. You see that?
終わりだ。
戦えるぜ。
He couldn't take him down with arms. I was gonna take him down with just his head.
引き時ってやつをよ。
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。
What?
獣が狩人の言葉。
Oh, snap. It was a trick. I was like thinking about it. I was like, how did he do that if he got him? Dang, the training really did pay off. Denji is much wittier when it comes to his moves. He's quick. He like knows what he's doing.
目が覚めたか。
殺して。
No, he's not. No, you won't.
ここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ。俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよね。
Are you gonna torture him? Is that Denji's style though?
てめえのせいで世界から一人減っ
That's not the reasoning. You cared about her.
今から大会を開く。いいとこに来たな。
時計館内線路内にて。
最強の大会によ。
What is the contest gonna be?
お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつ。
That's kind of brutal. Oh, but like nothing else they went through was like completely wild, right?
俺たちの仕事は勝ったら何くれんだ？
Oh, they're like low-key bonding too, though. Everything that has happened, all the massacres, the brutality, this is the worst of it. This is where the line gets drawn that they go called psychos, right? I think she would secretly love it. Not secretly, I think she would really love it.
なぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった？
聞き出す前に。
Oh, snap.
10の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押
That's a
収。
lot. They're gonna find it. He's gonna smoke it. He's only got 2 years left. He's gonna be with her again. This is kind of like him also sort of letting go of her, maybe? Like respecting. It's like in her honor.
デンジ、落ちた。絶対に開けちゃダメだ。デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Wait, is that Is that it? What'd that mean? So I just finished watching the first season of Chainsaw Man for the very first time, and this show has exceeded my expectations by like a lot. I'm going into an anime and each episode is only like 20 something minutes long, super short, but it put me in the feels so friggin' easily, and it was visually stunning. Visually beautiful art is like such a weakness for me. Like I love it, and they actually did a lot with sound as well, and it really immersed you that much more. So this show was good. I think there's only been a couple episodes that didn't make me tear up, and I mean, granted, I do cry very easily and I'm really emotional, but I just feel like with being able to do that within just a minute or two is insane. So insane, so crazy, and it deserves all the praise it can get. I really like when an anime can get you in the feels and it can just be like just visually beautiful. It was extremely gory and scary at times, like really freaky, but I just like that there was a lot of sentimentality. Is that a word? It is now, and I respect that a lot. It means a lot to me, and I just felt like it was beautiful. My cat doesn't shut up sometimes, I'm sorry. But yeah, this was just a great show, and I can't wait for season 2. And if you guys have any other show recommendations that are really good on par with Chainsaw Man, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear it. And if you guys have any deeper insight into the episodes, please let me know. I would love to hear and read it and just analyze it a bit more. So thank you guys so much for watching along with me. I truly hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.